Bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculation on integers. Bitwise operators work on bits which are binary digits 0 and 1. Each bit represents a power of 2 in binary number system. A is assigned to the value 6 and B is assigned to the value 4. Binary form of 6 is 0 1 1 0 and the 4 is 0 1 0 0. If the both bits are 1, it result 1. Otherwise, it result 0. Now the binary calculation of A bitwise and B, it result 0 1 0 0. Now calculate the binary value of A bitwise or B. If any of bit is 1, it result 1. Otherwise, it is 0. It is little different from bitwise OR and bitwise AND. If both bits are same, it result 0, otherwise 1. The bitwise left shift move the operand to the left side. Then the place of rightmost bit filled by 0. Now it double the decimal value. So the decimal 10 became decimal 20. The bitwise right shift move the operand to the right side and the rightmost bit always gets removed. So the decimal 10 became decimal 2. In Python, the bitwise NOT operator is used to perform a bitwise negation on an integer number which may be a positive number or a negative number. It flips all the bits of integer, means 0 became 1 and 1 became 0. Here I am going to explain you how implement the bitwise NOT operator on positive integers in Python. Here A is assigned to the positive value 5. Binary format of 5 is 0101. If I apply the bitwise NOT operator to A, it flips all the bits of A and result 1010 in binary. The binary representation of 1010 is interpreted as a negative number in 2's complement form. In 2's complement, the most significant bit always is 1 in 1010. Indicate a negative number, the most significant bit acts as the sign bit, determining the sign of integer. Let's verify the result. Now check the binary value of -6. You can see clearly that binary form of -6 and bitwise NOT A are same. The result of bitwise NOT operation on positive integer 5 is -6, which is 2's complement representation of 5.